Hello, Gwen. What do you want to do now? Oh, you want to try the vending machine. What do they got? Alright, put it slowly. Is it working? So which one do you want? Which number do you want? Mineral water. Yeah, water. 023. 023. Yeah. 20. Maybe delete. Oh, you can 033 is also okay. Alright, you want to change? Wait, this is what you're supposed to do. Put another 3. Okay. There you go. Then enter. See what happened. There you go. You got it. Okay, I also want drink. I want root beer. Oh, but it's. But the root beer is with can. I don't want with can. So I'm gonna just get the mineral water as well. Or maybe I want to try something else. Maybe I want to try. Yeah. Put it inside. Do number 50. Yeah. Enter. There you go. Gwen. Okay, get it. Gwen. You got it? You got it? Show us. What do you got? Yay. Okay, cool. Okay, let's do another one. 16. Press 16. Press 16. Just press it. Enter. Yay. What about Oma? Huh? So how much do we still have left? 6,000. We gotta get something that is really exactly 6,000. Get that one. That one, the fresh tea.
Which one?
Which one do you want, Grace? I think the purple one is the same lah.
The apple.
Apple, number what? 15.
016.
016. Grace gonna do it.
16 and 6.
Enter.
Enter.
Yay! Get it. Hey. I got it all. Do you want to say it to people who are watching your video? Want to say something? Gwen? Gwen, you want to say something to people who are watching?
Subscribe now and hit the bell button. See
Ooh.
you guys later.